Cookie's YouTube channel. 9 minutes late. I hate coming here late because they do have refurbs, but it is Sunday, so maybe I'll get lucky. All kinds of empty slots. Did they not restock this morning, last night, or did I miss out? Primarily looking for refurbs, but I see these in quite a few sizes. $1.60. These are 9.5. There's an 11. I also see a size 9. Blazer Sakai, $70. Remember, you get 30% off the back wall. And the size 10. GT Hustle 2s going for $170. Jordan 1 lows going for $110. Not seeing too many refurbs today. I don't remember seeing those Jordan 1 lows either, that colorway. But okay, do got some of the Sakai's right here. We've seen these like 50 times. We've seen them like 50 times with the price $70 for those. These are 11.5. Trainers with some faux animal skin right here. Some alligator skin type of thing, $140. 9.5 AJKOs, $120. Pegasus 40 refurb going for $65. That is slightly imperfect, so you need to check those out. Did see the size 10s. Now we're gonna check out the apparel real quick, at least the clearance section. $40 for these right here. This is a large. This seems like super oversized. Yeah, $40, pretty thin. Niners jersey in. It's a Trey Lance, dang it. These are still going for $130. How are they selling those for $130? Los Angeles Jordan t-shirt, $15, 30 off. So was that like $10.50? Chargers t-shirt. These are pretty dope, actually. These are pretty dope. $35 though. Regular price, you get that 30 off. Medium duty hoodie right here. I don't think this thick is the one that I have on. $90 for these. Pretty clean though. Been seeing a lot of the tech fleece, sports coat, trench coat type of thing. Double XL, $200 though. On this rack right here, it's mostly shorts. It's pretty much all shorts. Nike football going for $40. If you guys don't mind shopping off season, weird short shorts right there that are kind of weird. Running shorts, all kinds of stuff, but all shorts. Moving up to the bigger sizes, $70 for the 11.5. GT Cut 3 size 11 go for $190. Cosmic Unity 3s $85. These are slightly imperfect though. These finally made it out the aisles. But yeah, they got the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. And these are what, $90? $90 to get that 30 off. Got some extra pink blazer mids going for $50. Jetman Team 1. These are a size 14. Price unknown. Chinese New Year colorway of the Zhao ones. I think these are definitely the best colorway. That blue and gold hits pretty dope. The retail price though, $140. Those look so much better than these right here. And then do got some Jordan blazers. Kind of, sort of, not really. Size 13. Price unknown because these ain't no $165. Got some SB blazers right here. $45 for these canvas ones right here. Dang, dude. It's slightly imperfect though. Haven't seen them like that. These are pretty clean, dude. OG color blocking. Okay. Size 11. Size 9.5. Size 14 right here. Jordan 1 though. Golf. With that extra tumbled leather. These normally go for $140, so there's no price tag. I would assume $140. Size 14, we've been seeing these plenty. They do have additional clearance racks over there, over here as well. Nike pullovers right here, $70 down to $30. Then you get another 30% off. They're not super thick, but that price, wow. Rams gear, these have been here for a while. $100 for that one. Both original. No, this one's down to $45 at least. Okay. The Jordan fleece jacket, $82 down to $60. This is a small though. Like hoodies, man. If you need hoodies, pretty decent time to get hoodies. $90 down to $65. This Dang, this one's going for regular price. Double XL, super thick though. T-shirts right here, $30 for those. Get an extra 30% off all these. $28 for those. Got some Jordan shorts. These are fleece, and these going for $46. Kind of pricey. The running pullovers right here with ThermaFit. $45 for those. These go for $35. Some hella bright shirts that you wear at nighttime when you go running so you don't get run over. $41 for those. Now we're checking out the aisles. And we saw a bunch of these Jordans the last time, so we're going to run through these real quick. Jordan 1 Low OGs. Got the golf ones right here. Plenty of sizes on both. 1 SEs, center courts. Plenty of 2s, 1, 2, 3s. And then we got, only have a couple more sizes, a 4 and a 5 of the DJ Khaled's. Got the 7s right here, a few sizes left, and then the 1s. Zoom Freaks, one of the cheapest prices. We've seen those. I think Dick's Sporting Goods, the warehouse, had it for hella cheap. But other than that, this is probably the second cheapest price we've seen them. Then we got plenty of the usual suspects. Witness 7s, 4 different colorways. Immortalities, KD Tray 5 9s. Seen plenty of those. Cosmic Unity 2s right here. Got Hyperdunk lows. Airspan 2s go for way too much. And this is the price that I got my Airspans for. Air Force 1 highs. I guess someone returned those in the clearance section over there. Got sizes, what, 8 through 10 right here. Got some highs. Omnipresent 2017s. I can't believe they make so many of these because we don't even see these at the retail stores. They go straight to the outlets, right? Got them in light bone right here. 270s. Multiple colorways. Size 13 in the women's section. Don't see that too often. But yeah, these are size 13. So what is that? 11 and a half men's right here. Jordan 1 highs, man. If these are priced right, I would take them, but yeah, 150, a little steep. It'd be about, what, 105, which isn't bad. If I got them for cheaper, I might. These are size 12, which is a 10 and a half men's. That is my size. Not bad. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature 75 gently worn. These are size 12. Jordan 2s in a size 12, 175. This is like nubuck too. That's like hella smooth. Wow. Jordan 1 mids, 125. Invincible Run Flyness, 10 and a half, $90. The extra 30 off. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen. This is size 9 men's. Jordan 1 low, size 11. These are elevates though, so they are platforms. $68 for those. Slightly imperfect. Kind of like a Chicago colorway, 125. These are size 12. Size 8.5 women's. These Cortez are dope. It is suede. I think they got it for regular price though. At least you get 30 off. Size 7 women's go for 90. Nike by You, size 6.5. These are hella bright. Got glitter. Oh, that's not patent leather. That's just buck leather. They sprayed some shiny stuff on it. But yeah, man, look at this. This is crazy. This one's kind of crazy. Megan Thee Stallion, that's what they wrote on there. That's pretty funny. Yeah, and I guess regular price, these are probably like $2, man. Nike by You ain't cheap. Jordan 2, size 8.5, go for $2. Jordan 1 low elevates, 135. Almost have an entire row of blazers right here. Blazer mids. That's a jumbo. Got the regular one right here. They vary in price like crazy. This is a canvas one. Going for hella cheap. Almost all white. Does have that little color on the tongue right there. And got... Oh, this is the same one. The women's section still got the Alma Maniers. Running low on size. Only goes up to size 9 women's. These go up to size 9 women's as well. Shattered backboard. Jordan 1 low elevates. The black cement golds. And then do got the reverse laneys up to size 10. Next row, got some Air Max Diaz, Dunk High Premiums, Air Forces. And then I actually just have a bunch of these premiums right there, some shadows, platforms, bunch of different Air Maxes. Oh, also have a blazer right here as well. All right, I'm seeing on social media, fools are finding all kinds of dope stuff at Ross. We're gonna have to check this one out too. Oh wait, maybe not. They closed? Ross is closed on Easter Sunday? Oh, so much for that. Damn, it looks like all the Rosses are closed today. I'm really surprised to see that. Wow. Wow. All right, can't win every trip. Those satin bread Jordan 1 highs, those are pretty dope. Be able to get Jordan 13s for close to $100. That's not bad either. So they did have some deals. They did have some steals. But yeah, not the craziest trip. But definitely worth stopping by, man. You never know. You never know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. You guys got plenty coming. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Do all that good stuff. And we out, man. We out.